Yeah, now more guys, I guess.
Yeah, it sounds like yeah all the time.